Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwini and today we are going to study about how to write a flowchart. So what are the things that you need to remember that I am going to tell you. So the first thing you need to know is the symbols. So symbols you need to know. The second thing is where to use. Use those symbol. Okay. So which are the symbols that you have that we are going to see. The first symbol is your oval symbol. Okay, this oval symbol is used for starting as well as ending. Start and end, we are going to use the oval symbol. The next symbol we are going to use is the parallelogram. So this is your parallelogram. I'm using my phone to write the drawing, so that's why we are facing some issues. So I hope you are understanding. So this is the parallelogram. So this parallelogram is used for input and output. Okay, next thing is a rectangular box. This rectangular box is used to write your formulas. Okay, so it is used for writing the formula. Next symbol is your whatever the looping statement you are going to use. Looping statement. So your looping statement uses this particular symbol. So the next one is your rhombus symbol. So where the rhombus symbols are used is your if statements. That is your conditional statements. All your conditional statement uses this rhombus. Okay, these are the few important symbols. Other than this, you have one round small connecting. So this is used for connecting your flowcharts we are going to use. Okay, oval symbol as well as the circle symbol varies. So this is used to connect. When you end up your page with half of your flowchart and still you have something to write, so that time you are going to start it in a new page. So at the end of that particular page you are going to add this particular symbol, and starting of the next page you are going to add this particular symbol, and you are going to tell that it is continuity. Okay, so that is where we use these kind of symbols. So these are some important flowchart symbols that is used for your programming language. I hope this video is useful for you all. I hope you are able to understand whatever I am telling. So if you think that this video is helpful, please make sure you are going to share it with your friends and make this video a little bit more effort is required for each and every videos, so that I can make my next video. If I get a good viewers, it get me some inspiration to make my next video. I hope you like this video and understood whatever I thought. So if you have really think that this video is informative, then please make sure you're going to forward this video to your friends. And the first time users who have come to my channel, please make sure you're going to subscribe this particular channel and make sure you follow the videos. I have quite a lot of experience about whatever I'm teaching about the computer science. I hope my knowledge, whatever I have, it is useful for you all. I make sure that I do a good videos the next time. I make sure I'm going to explain your good videos. I make sure I answer your comments. So if you have any doubts in any of the point that I have explained, please make sure you're going to comment it so that I can reply you in your next upcoming videos. So I hope you like this video, and please share it with your friends, more and more friends, so that it reaches multiple number of users. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Thank you.